guys, welcome back to my channel. Danielle here, and I've got another closet cleanout video for y'all. It's been a minute since my last one, so if you haven't watched it yet, I'll put it up here in the cards, and then I'll leave all my previous ones down in the description box. But I've been doing laundry these past few days, and I have so much freaking clothes, and I know it's become a problem because I am repeating a lot of my outfits. I've been wearing these pants for the past like 2 weeks. I know, it's so bad. And I'm also just hoarding a lot of unique, cute pieces that I'm not even wearing. Like this coat, bought it for like 40, 50 bucks, have never wore it. This coat here that's super, oh, you guys can't even see it. This coat here, super detailed, very awesome. It doesn't even fit me, so I haven't wore it out once. So we're just gonna get down and dirty and purge my closet. I'm gonna get rid of items that just aren't my style anymore, and if they've been sitting in my wardrobe for more than 2 weeks without being worn, it's gone. Anything that I do try on this video is gonna be up for grabs on my Depop, so go hit me up there. I am Twinelle_. But before we get to today's closet cleanout video, let's thank today's sponsor, which is Karma. If you guys don't know about them yet, they're an app and Chrome extension that ensures you never miss a price drop or a discount code when you're shopping online. So you're able to save items from your favorite online stores in a single place in specific lists. And then Karma sends you notifications via email and mobile push anytime one of your saved items either goes on sale, has a good discount code, or even comes back into stock. So if you're interested, I do have a link down below in my description box, but Karma is definitely gonna help you save some money, especially as we're entering the holiday season and you're gonna have to start getting gifts for your family and friends. I've already made lists for Arthur and my sister, and I've just saved items that I think they would really like to open up on Christmas Day, and it's really easy to do. All you have to do is download the Chrome extension, you jump onto their homepage, you just click into stores, type in the store that you wanna shop from, and then you're gonna find your item. The Karma button is gonna be located on the side. You just click into that, choose a size you're interested in, include it in the list, and then you can save your item. Once your item is saved, it gets logged under my items, go into my lists, and then all your items will be organized into multiple wish lists. What's really awesome too is that anytime you're at checkout, Karma will actually scan the web for coupon codes and apply them automatically to save you even more money, but you have to make sure you're using this feature on a desktop, so Chrome extension is an absolute must. They also have something called Karma Gives, which is an initiative where they give back, so every $50 that you spend, they will donate $1 to a cause of your choice. So if you're wanting to save money on any future purchases, go ahead and click that link down in my description box and download the Karma Shopping Assistant. Thank you so much to Karma for sponsoring this video. Now, let's get back to this closet cleanout video. Hello you guys, welcome to location number 1, which is this rack of coats that you guys know already because I use as a backdrop of all of my videos. And yes, it is located directly in front of my AC unit, where maintenance has told me countless of times to not block it because I keep breaking our AC. But do I listen? No, because it's all about aesthetic. Oh, but maybe I should have mentioned, we have 5 places to tackle today. We have this rack behind me, we have a cabinet of pants and skirts, we have a big pile just right on the ground, and then we have my very cute pink wardrobe that honestly I just stuff all my small shirts into, and then lastly we have Arthur's closet, which I take about like 25% of. But let's just get started here because it's fairly easy. It's already on hangers, it's already color coordinated, it's organized. So this cardigan we're gonna keep, no question about it. Anything that I get from mystery bundles that they hand make, I don't have it in me to donate it or get rid of it, so it's definitely staying in my wardrobe. Again, I'm gonna be determining what I'm gonna keep depending if I've wore it in the past few weeks and whether it's still my style. I wore this on my birthday, so it's a keeper. We've come across item number 1 that I will not be keeping in my wardrobe. I used to be into really colorful slacks and then matching them with blazers to have like this monochrome type of look, but I'm just not into it anymore. I got this at an estate sale, so if you haven't watched that yet, I'll put it somewhere up here in the cards. We have this jacket here that gives me major Michael Jackson vibes. I don't wear it very often, but it's a piece that Arthur and I can share because it fits both of us pretty nicely, so gonna keep it. And then we have this really pretty cardigan that I could never say no to. We have these really cute pink embroidered flowers, and I know this isn't really my style. It's very much cottagecore, and I know that was one of my rules of getting rid of items, but come on, it's so freaking cute, it has to stay. We have a little bit of leopard. Y'all know I love my animal print, so this is gonna be staying. Plus it gives me like really awesome Nana vibes. Recently got this at the bins. It's giving me mad Cruella vibes. Again, animal print, so it's staying. And then I recently got this. I wore it once. I also put it into a TikTok here, but after just styling and trying it on, I don't think it's me. But now we have location 1 all done. Let's move to the next one.
It was late at
We're finally at location number 2, which is pretty scary behind here because it's very messy, but I have all my bottoms. So anything from skirts, pants, shorts, all back here. So we can get started with some skirts and shorts. It doesn't look that bad. Maybe I should just pull everything out because it needs to be organized anyways, and then we'll just speed through everything that I'll be keeping and won't be keeping, but it's gonna be a lot. Okay, I'm gonna make this my no pile here and my yes here. Shorts, can't go wrong with them. Everyone needs a denim mini skirt in their wardrobe. They literally go with any shoe, any top, so absolute must. I actually got these from Details Vintage on Depop. She was kind enough to just give them to me, and I've yet to wear them, so they're gonna stay in my wardrobe for now. We've come across our first no. I got these Ozark shorts off of Depop, and I've worn them a few times, and I think they're so freaking cool. They have pleats, a lot of like rounded studs, no back pockets. It's a super high waist. I just don't wear it as often as I would like, even during the summer. I'm very self-conscious of my calf muscles, and I don't have them at all. They're like very thin, and I just feel like this draws a lot of attention to them, so no. Oh, you guys, I've had this really cute pleated skirt since I was in university. Like literally my junior year of Davis is when I thrifted this, and I used to be so small. This is, I think, a size 24 or 25 waist. I'm now a 27, but it's one of those pieces that I've kept in my closet because I'm gonna lose weight and try to fit into it, but it's been years. So I think it's time to give this up. Oh my goodness, I totally forgot about this freaking skirt. I got this at the Long Beach Vintage Flea Market, I think it's what it's called. I actually made a video about it. Look at the heart detail on this. I totally forgot about this. This is gonna be so cute for the fall, but this is gonna be staying with me. I remember when I thrifted this. I thought I was gonna be wearing this all the time, and even though it's pink, I love the darker hue to it. I don't wear it as often, and it's this really cool little 90s piece, but I think I'm gonna give this up. Yeah, it's gonna leave. Y'all, we're down to our last item of skirts and shorts, and this is American Apparel. Y'all know I really like them. I really like the quality of all their items. I've been to a few of their sample sales too, so if you guys want to check those out, I'll leave them down in the description. But their sizing is all over the freaking place. Like, I don't understand their sizing. Sometimes I fit into their smalls. Their mediums are usually big for me, but this is a size medium and it fits me so dang small, and I just don't feel like their sizing is consistent ever. So if you've noticed that, let me know down in the comments, because I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one. But I'm gonna have to give this up because even though it's labeled the size medium, it fits more like a small. This is where we're at right now. This is my keep pile. This is my gonna post onto Depop, which is steadily getting bigger. But let's move on to pants now because we have a lot to go through. Okay, a little pile update here. This is the keep. It's so much bigger than it was before. Surprisingly, I did get rid of a lot of pants. I thought I was gonna keep most of them, but we got rid of a good chunk. So let's fold everything back up, and then we're gonna put them right back into the cabinet.
Like your mother and father did before. Eat yourself alive. You open up, but the words are all tongue-tied. Pulling back the blind. Is this the world you pictured here before?
There they are, y'all. Tell me that isn't beautiful. Okay, absolutely love that. This is our Depop pile, very big. We might as well just tackle this. This is just a pile of clothes that I just kind of tossed onto the ground after I washed it, so might as well just go through it now. This is a super pretty piece. I just don't wear it as much as I thought I would, and it does have a tie back closure that honestly is hanging on by a thread, and I tried repairing it myself, but my sewing skills are not as advanced as I thought they would be to fix this. So we're just gonna toss that onto Depop. Oh, absolutely love these shorts. I bought them off of Depop, and the girl had the measurements totally wrong, so that's gonna be a Depop piece. Ooh, I really like this piece here. It's just that I know I don't like bodycon pieces just because I don't like showing off my body, especially since I commute by myself a lot of the time. It draws a lot of unnecessary male attention, but it's such a cute freaking piece. Imagine with a leather coat over it, my demonias, some fishnets, oh heck yeah. I totally forgot I got this. I have a little bustier here, has a little floral detail right in the center, but these cups don't even fit me. They're way too big. And I do this to myself all the freaking time. I know my size. I know that I have a couple little babies, but then when I'm on my period like I am now, I fill up my cup so nicely and I'm just like, maybe I can fit into a larger cup size. But in reality, I cannot, so Depop it goes. Color coordination just fills my heart. Absolutely love this. Obviously, we don't have any tops yet, but bottoms are looking super good. So let's hit up our next location, which is my pink wardrobe. We are in another corner of my loft, and we have my pink wardrobe here. Can you believe I got this off of Facebook Marketplace for only $60? I think it is the cutest thing ever, but also, we are on hour 6 of cleaning out my closet. It has been a struggle, and I feel like my body is finally feeling it. The cramps are kind of coming in, but I have most of my tops and like a few sweaters in here. So thankfully, everything is already on hangers. We'll just toss it onto the rack and then we'll start sorting. Oh my goodness, I was not expecting to fill up a whole rack. But I have a full rack of tops, so let's go ahead and just get through these. I really like this one. It just fits me super nicely. This one again, super cute. Already worn it, think it looks so flattering. And I don't have a lot of neutrals in my wardrobe. A poncho with sequins, heck yeah. Anything with a halter neck is most likely gonna stay in my wardrobe. I'm actually waiting for something super exciting in the mail because I want to either screen print or heat press something onto this shirt. Y'all already know how I feel about lingerie as casual wear, so this definitely has to stay. Oh, faux fur. Faux fur for sure is gonna be staying in my wardrobe. Yes, absolutely. Oh yes. Okay, I think we're gonna say goodbye to this one. I do have a really bad habit of if I like something, then I want it in every color. For example, all of my Revolt pants. But I feel like when it's coming to these shirts, they are very similar, and I feel like a little too similar. So I'm gonna keep my favorite color. I'm gonna keep the blue one, and this one I'm gonna be posting onto my Depop.
Darling Geppetto, I'm wishing on a star too. Grow legs and start talking, walking right beside you, cut off.
Okay, let's talk about this cute little tank. I love this. It's super galactic. I just don't wear it. Again, it's one of those things where I just don't really fill in the cup, so it just sits in my wardrobe all the time. So it's time to say goodbye to this one for sure. I really like this. I just don't find myself wearing it a lot, and I spent $30 on this sleeveless crochet top. I mean, it's really awesome. It has a scoop neck. It has this open crochet construction to it. It's got sequins, the little asymmetrical hem. It's super fun and pretty. I just have a really hard time styling it. So, I mean, if you have any ideas on how to style it, let me know down below in the comments, but otherwise, I think I'm gonna have to post it. Ooh, this one has been with me for such a long time. I got this at the start of the quarantine when all of our stimulus checks are dropping, and I wanted to like treat myself. So this was a Lazy Oaf piece that is brand new, not even thrifted. I got it straight from their website, and y'all know I love mesh construction. I love pink. I think I'm done with this like part of my life, so I'll get rid of it. Ooh, we have another piece. I promise I like sheer mesh stuff, but this item is still brand new with tags. It is really sheer, and I think it's the bright yellow green neon. It doesn't really look good against my skin tone, and it's just super obnoxious, which usually I love, but I don't find myself picking this up to style, so I'm gonna say bye to this one too. All the tops that I'm keeping. I think I kind of did a bad job though, because I still have so many, but in all honesty, I do wear most of these, so they're gonna have to stay. Okay, pink wardrobe, check, done. We finally made it to Arthur's closet. We're nearly done. We're about like 85% done. So we're just gonna put this onto a rack and then we'll sort through it. So let's go. But this sheer awesome statement dress is gonna stay for sure. We are gonna say goodbye to this Betsy Johnson cardigan. I thrifted this a while back ago and I haven't worn it yet. It's missing a bead on the sleeve here, but other than that, it's in really good condition. I don't know, I just don't really think it's me.
Wasted as well. Coming jaded.
Look at this shirt. I absolutely love it. It's sheer, it has some smock detailing, some sequins. It's time to give her up. It is slightly damaged, so I don't know if anyone's interested in it. We do have a little snag here on the sleeve. Not sure if you can see that. We've moved into dresses now, and I think I'm gonna say bye to both of these. I don't wear these at all. This I really like. I love that it's sheer, but again, it's kind of has more of a bodycon silhouette, which I'm not the biggest fan of, so gonna let these go. We're down to the last two pieces, and these, again, I'm gonna let go. I have this one from And Other Stories, just not really feeling it anymore. It is really flattering on the body though, so really like that. And then, this dress. I'm so in love with it, but I feel like it's such a staple piece that once you wear it once, you kind of have to wait a certain period of time to wear it again. But honestly, it's just taking up space in my closet, so gonna say bye to this one too. Guys, we finished this closet cleanout video, so if you made it this far, thank you so much. We made it just in time because the sun is currently setting, so we're about to lose all of this sunlight in like maybe a good 20-30 minutes. But hopefully this video inspired you to also clean out your closet and just purge some items that maybe just don't fit anymore, aren't really your style, and maybe make space for new thrifted items. But y'all, don't forget that this video is sponsored by Karma, so if you want to save money on any future purchases, hit that link down below in my description box. But as always, I do try to post videos at least once a week. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!